Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Archana. Today I'm very excited to show you this brand new kit. This kit is perfect for documenting outdoor adventure, creating Father's Day album and craft. This kit is beautifully designed and I'm going to show you what's included in this kit. First of all, this collection is by Graphic 45, which says adventure awaits. This is 12 by 12 collection pack and this is really big pack, 24 double-sided pages, 8 decorative papers, 4 patterns and 2 sheets per designs. And the colors of this kit so pretty. I'm in love with this kit, so let's get into this. You can see first page, very beautiful scenery here. All these tickets are here, lots of scenic blocks are here, very pretty design. And backside has the pattern paper. Then this page has beautiful leaves pattern on blue color. Backside has this beautifully striped olive green color pattern paper. Oh, I love this page, very mesmerizing, right? You can see very beautiful page. This boardwalk, boat and very calm, quiet river is here. Loved it. And backside has this page. Then this page has all the borders, you can see, and tickets. Very pretty page, very manly kit this one is. And backside is this, all these pattern papers, looking at them it reminds me all the guys shirts pattern, right? And next page has beautiful wooden applique here and all these designs, very nice scenery here. And backside is this one, so pretty. And then all these wooden appliques or cut wood circles. And backside is this. And this page has beautiful patterns, all the adventure images. And backside is this. Then this page has your cards. Some are big, some are small size cards. These two are small size cards, these two and these 4 cards are a little bit bigger size with lots of beautiful scenery. Back page is like this one. And this page, beautiful pattern. Backside has this, it's not solid color, it has, you can see some kind of shades going on, you can see. So this is in brown color. Then this leaf page, very beautiful olive green color. And back page has a olive green color, this kind of shaded paper. And this page has this pattern. And backside is, this is like a very deep bluish greenish midnight blue color paper. This pattern paper has a blue stripes, very cute. I love this page. And backside has midnight blue or royal blue color. This is green actually, and this is blue colored paper. And this whole entire collection pad included in this kit, along with few other things. The second paper pad is this one, which is 8.5 by 11 patterns and solid pack, and it has a 16 double-sided sheets, 8 patterns. I'm not going to open this, but you can see all these pattern papers and similar pattern we are just seen in this main kit. And this is really useful to just dress up our album before we decorate with these elements. So this kit includes these chipboard pieces, tags and frames. They are 40 pieces assorted. You can see all these cute frames here, very nice. And then ephemera pack. I love ephemeras. So it has 66 pieces. You can see all these trees and all the elements, very pretty. I can't wait to create my own album using this kit. And then I found a really wonderful Prima flowers, which are these ones, goes perfect for this kit. So you can see all these colors goes really well. See, just like this pack made for this kit. And then I have added this Fab Scrap boat chipboard pieces. It has 2 pieces of boats. And then this midnight blue colored seam binding I have added. So this kit is currently listed on my website, so please go check it out. My store link is in the description box below, and I hope you will have fun using this kit, and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.